Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Gitter Official. In today's video, I'll show you how to activate your Destiny credit card online step-by-step using destinycard.com/activate. So, let's get started. Step 1. Visit the official website. First, open your browser and go to www.destinycard.com/activate. Make sure you're on the official Destiny card website. Check the URL and the secure padlock symbol in the address bar. This is very important for your online safety. Step 2. Login or create an account. If you already have a Destiny card account, just click on Login and enter your username and password. If you're a new user, click on Register your account and fill in the required details like your name, card number, date of birth, and Social Security number, SSN. Step 3. Activate your card. After logging in, you'll see an option to activate your card. Enter your card number, expiry date, and CVV code found on the back of your card. Once you enter the details, click on Activate or Submit. You'll receive a confirmation message on your screen that your Destiny card has been successfully activated. Step 4. Access your account dashboard. Now you can log in anytime at destiny.myfinanceservice.com. Here, you can check your balance, view transactions, pay bills, and manage your account settings. Tips and security reminder. 1. Always make sure you're on the official Destiny website. 2. Never share your card information on suspicious websites. 3. For any issues, contact Destiny Card customer support. The number is printed on the back of your card. That's it for today's video, friends. I hope this guide helped you activate your Destiny card easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Gitter Official for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.